Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. My name is Varsha Dhiman, and in this particular session, I'm going to tell you about the exam pattern and syllabus of Junior Commercial Executive Post, which is released by Cotton. So, aspirants who are thinking of preparing for this particular examination, this is a very important session for. And in the previous session, I had discussed with you about the eligibility criteria where we discussed about the age and the educational qualification. So if you have any query regarding the age and the educational qualification, you can watch the previous session. And here in this session, I'm going to discuss with you about the exam pattern and syllabus of junior commercial executive. Okay, so let's start our today's discussion. So before proceeding forward, I request you please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will get the notification of all the sessions that we are having for you on our YouTube channel. As well as you can install the application of Oliveboard so that and register yourself there so that you will get to know about the batches and the courses which are available for your better preparations on the application. So let's start today's discussion. Before proceeding to our main topic of exam pattern and syllabus, aspirants, I just want to tell you one thing. If you want to prepare for, if you are targeting for this Cotton Corporation of India vacancy, please note down these two important things. Like the online registration was started on 9th of May 2025, and you will be able to apply for this vacancies till 24th of May 2020. So if you are thinking of targeting this examination, please make sure that you are going to apply before 24th May 2025 because you have to upload the documents and you have to get so many things. The last date that you don't need to wait, you have to apply before 20, I can say. Okay, so let's start our discussion. So first thing that you should know that there will be online examination and there will be only one examination. Okay, there will be only one examination and that will be in online mode. Okay, now your paper would be of 5 parts. So there will be 5 sections in the paper. All right, and there will be total 120 objective multiple choice questions, and you have to attempt this 120 questions in 2 hours, or we can say 120 minutes. Now the doubt that most of the students have in their mind is there will be negative marking. Yeah, there will be negative marking for every wrong answer that you had attempted. 1 by 4 or 0.25 marks will be deducted. So make sure while attempting the question or do the negative attemptation. Okay. Now let's talk about the exam pattern. So there will be 5 sections that I had already told you. Okay. And it's not same that सभी section का weightage same है. The weightage of these 4 subjects जो आपके इन चारों subjects का weightage है और जो आपके 5th subject का weightage है, the sum of these 4 subjects weightage is equal to the subject knowledge. Okay, मतलब कि 60 questions तो रहेंगे आपके English, reasoning, quants and general knowledge के. Okay, and 60 questions will be of subject knowledge, right? अब ये चीज यहाँ पर आप देख लेंगे and there will be overall time given to you that is of 120 minutes means 2 hours may have to attempt 120 questions. So here you can see the exam pattern. From the English portion, you will have 15 questions. One question will be of 1 mark, so total 15 marks ki there will be English. Reasoning में there will be 15 questions, one question of 1 marks. So total 15 marks की रहेगी आपकी reasoning. Quantitative aptitude 15 questions, one question of 1 marks. So total 15 marks का quantitative aptitude. General knowledge total 15 questions and one question of 1 marks. Total 15 marks का general knowledge. And this is the most important section as it is clearly mentioned in the notification that only BSc agriculture students are eligible to apply, or if you are already working temporary or permanent with CCI then any graduate can apply. But वो जो any graduate है उसको अपना ये agriculture portion strong करना पड़ेगा because 60 questions Like 60 marks will be from agriculture portion. So this is about the exam pattern of junior commercial executive post. Okay, now moving towards the next portion, like let's talk about the syllabus. So I had prepared a complete table. You can take the screenshot particular segment. Here I had mentioned the syllabus, indicative syllabus, which is mentioned in your official website for each unit. Okay, so firstly, let's talk about the general English. So 15 marks के लिए, the portion that you have to cover is articles, prepositions, vocabulary, reading and comprehensions, synonyms, jumbled sentences, etc. So this is a portion that you have to cover under your general English subject. Okay, under the reasoning subject, you have to cover silog, coded inequalities, direction and distance, ordering and ranking, blood relations, data interpretations, coding and decoding, deductive logic, data sufficiency, series compilations, puzzle pattern completion, etc. Okay, puzzles, pattern completions, etc. So ये है आपके reasoning का syllabus. Under the quantitative aptitude, that will be your 15 marks. You have to cover the topic like ratio and proportion, time and work, speed and distance, percentage and averages, profit, loss and discount, probability, okay, simple and compound student. ये हैं आपके क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड के इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स जो कि आपके सिलेबस में मेंशन है. अंडर द जनरल नॉलेज, सी बहुत ही कंसाइज करके मेंशन किया है, बट इट डजंट मीन दैट कि आप इंडियन ज्योग्राफी का सिर्फ डेफिनेशन पढ़ लिया, बेसिक पढ़ लिया. नो, यू हैव टू कवर लाइक जितना आपके एग्जाम के लिए जरूरी होता है, और वो कितना जरूरी होता है आई टेल कि कहाँ से आपको ये इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है. So don't worry, I'm going to discuss about this thing also. Okay, so under the general knowledge portion, you have to cover your Indian geography, Indian trade and economy, current affairs. Like you need to cover 6 to 8 months current affair. Like you, if the notification is released in the month of May, तो I'll prefer कि आप मई से करंट अफेयर अभी स्टार्ट कर दीजिए, एंड लास्ट 2-3 मंथ्स का भी यू हैव टू कवर एज एग्जाम डेट इज नॉट क्लियर टू अस नाउ. अगर एग्जाम आपका 1-2 महीने के बाद हो जाता है तो फिर भी आपको 6 to 8 मंथ्स का करंट अफेयर तो चाहिए होगा, राइट. वर्ल्ड एंड इंडिया साइंटिफिक रिसर्च, वर्ल्ड एंड इंडिया का करंट अफेयर, साइंटिफिक रिसर्च, अवार्ड्स, sports, world geography, etc. So under the general knowledge portion, you have to cover all those things. Subject knowledge, there will be 60 marks for subject knowledge, and under this you have to cover agriculture, marketing, trade and practices, farm power and machinery, agricultural entomology, crop pest and their management. See, one is the agricultural entomology, another is the crop pest and their management. So these two topics are different. Agricultural microbiology, soil microbiology, principles of agricultural agronomy, field crops, weed management, organic farming, dimensions of agricultural farming, cotton procurement, cotton area, cotton production, cotton yield, and cotton scenario, both domestic and international. So these are the topics which are important that you have to cover under your subject. Okay, so this is all about the syllabus of junior commercial executive. As I already told you about the number of vacancies, so number of vacancies आपके 125 है. So you have a good opportunity if you are graduated from culture subject कि आप इसके लिए apply करके preparation कर सकते हैं. Now the most commonest doubt कि कितना पढ़ना है, कितना नहीं पढ़ना है, from where to study, what not to study. So aspirants, these are the batches. One is in bilingual like English and Hindi both, and another is in complete English. So these two batches are available on the application of. Okay, so if you are thinking of preparing with us, be the part of these batches which are going to start from 16th, and start your preparations with the team Oliveboard. And if you have any doubt or any query regarding anything, you can drop in the comment box. So I'll take your doubt and queries in the next session. Okay, so all the very best and bye bye. Take care.